back here with another video, and in today's video we are going to be replacing the turn signal lenses to a clear, which they are right over here. So these are what we are going to be replacing them to. It comes with the clear lens, and then it also comes with an orange turn signal bulb. So let's go ahead and get started. So hopefully you guys can see, but the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to pull out this bulb right here, which this one is already out. Alrighty, so now we're in the barn and got some more lighting. So there's just these two clips. There's one over here, right there, and they clip in right here, and all you have to do is push this way and then pull them out like that. Alrighty, so we got this one out. Now we're just gonna go over here and take this one out. Alrighty, now since we got both of them out, we'll go and put the clear ones in. Alrighty, and now all you have to do is just pop them in. Alrighty, so I apologize about that. My SD card was full. But anyways, from where we were, these you just push in and they pop right in. You do not have to do anything with the clipping back here. Then after those pop in, all you have to do is plug the turn signals back in, and you're ready to go. So I think they look awesome. I think it clears up the front a whole lot more. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.